Hello students, this is Anjana. Welcomes you all in the Ved Model family. Today we are going to study your poem, that is The Fog. Before coming to your poem, I want to know, do you familiar with the words disabled and physically challenged? Disabled is the most generally accepted term to refer to people with a permanent illness or injury that makes it difficult for them to use any part of their body. If they are not able to use any part of their body, then we call them disabled completely or easily. And challenged is a polite way of referring to somebody who has a disability of some sort. Then we call them physically challenged. In this unit, you will make to think about an exceptional group of people in between us. Now students, before starting your poem, I want to tell you the summary of this poem. The poet W.H. Davis, William Henry Davis, describes in his poem The Fog the effect of the fog on him. It blurred his vision. He was unable to see things clearly. He lost the sense of direction and space, not knowing where to go. He felt there was nothing in his head except for two burning eyes. He couldn't breathe due to the dense fog, and he coughed. Here the word is fog. The street lamps falling on the moving car no more helped people and looked like distant stars. A man came who passed by the poet and offered him to show the way. The man led the poet home, and when they reached home, the poet came to learn that the man was blind as he rapped the wall with his stick. I saw the fog grow thick. Fog, mist, means condition of the air which makes it impossible to see clearly, in which clouds like become a mist, grow thick, thick just like gehra, which soon made blind my can range of sight, his eyesight. It made tall men of boys and giants of tall men. And because of this fog, because of this mist, he was not able to see clearly. Even he feel that all tall men just like boys, and all giants, long persons just like tall men. It clutched my throat. I coughed. It held his throat tightly. He coughed. Nothing was in my hand except two heavy eyes like balls of burning lead. Nothing was in his head. He was feeling that there was only two heavy eyes and that were burning like lead. And when it grew so black that I could know no place, I lost all judgment then of distance and of space. And when it became so dark that he even didn't know the place where he was, and even lost where he had to go, he even don't know the distance. The street lamps and the lights upon the halted cars, halted stop car. The street lamps and the lights felt on that stopped cars could either be on earth or be the heavenly stars. He even felt that he is on earth or in any heavenly stars, in that heaven bodies. A man passed by me close. I asked my way, he said. Then a man passed by him. He asked his way and he said, Come follow me, my friend. I followed where he led. Then that person told him to follow him. He followed him. Where he would go, he go behind him. He rapped the stones in front, rapped, struck quickly and lightly with a stick. Trust me, he said, and come. He said to him, trust me. I followed like a child. A blind man led me home. At last he came to know that he was following the person. He was blind, and he was able to lead him to his home. Now he was safely to his home. Now students, I am adding a video for making your intonation and rhythm of this poem clear. Listen that video and even audio carefully for making your pronunciation of each and every word clear.
The fog. I saw the fog grow thick, which soon made blind my ken. It made tall men of boys, and giants of tall men. It clutched my throat. I coughed. Nothing was in my head, except two heavy eyes, like balls of burning lead. And when it grew so black that I could know no place, I lost all judgment then of distance and of space. The street lamps and the lights upon the halted cars could either be on earth or be the heavenly stars. A man passed by me close. I asked my way. He said, come follow me, my friend. I followed where he led. He rapped the stones in front. Trust me, he said, and come. I followed like a child. A blind man led me home.
Yes, students, all of you will watch this video 2 or 3 times for making this point clear, and we will discuss about these new words, and if some doubt has remained, then we discuss in your period. Thank you and have a nice day.